Welcome to this video on the Carter family, pioneers of American country music. We'll explore how three voices from a small Virginia hollow changed the sound of America forever. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Musical Education series. We begin with Chapter 1, Roots of a Musical Legacy. The Carter family hailed from Maces Spring, Virginia, in the Appalachian Mountains. Their music was deeply rooted in the region's folk traditions, including hymns and ballads. The trio consisted of A.P. Carter, the song collector, Sara Carter, the lead vocalist, and Maybelle Carter, who created the revolutionary Carter scratch guitar technique. This original trio embodied the dignity of Appalachian musical tradition. Their living room harmonies would soon echo across the nation. Chapter 2 focuses on the Bristol Sessions, marking the birth of commercial country music. In the summer of 1927, the Carters traveled to Bristol, Tennessee for an audition. These sessions, now called the Big Bang of country music, launched their careers with early hits like Bury Me Under the Weeping Willow. Breakthrough songs included Single Girl, Married Girl, and the optimistic anthem Keep on the Sunny Side. Their music, rich in storytelling, offered comfort to rural communities during the Great Depression. Chapter 3 explores musical innovations and their signature sound. Maybelle Carter pioneered the Carter scratch, blending melody and rhythm on a single guitar. This technique revolutionized country guitar playing and influenced future generations of musicians. Sara and Maybelle's voices created haunting harmonies, conveying the joys and hardships of Appalachian life. Their music was simple yet profound, focusing on timeless themes of love, loss, and faith. Maybelle's right-hand technique transformed the guitar from an accompaniment instrument into a lead one, marking a revolution played one string at a time. Chapter 4 covers song origins and cultural influences. Roughly half of their repertoire came from traditional, nearly forgotten hymns and ballads collected by A.P. Carter. Their repertoire included influences from British Isles ballads and African-American spirituals. Maybelle's guitar style evolved from banjo techniques rooted in West African rhythmic traditions. This often overlooked fusion helped forge the distinct rhythms defining country music today. Chapter 5 addresses the impact on American music and culture. The Carters are the first family of country music, defining the standard for harmony singing and popularizing the genre nationally. Their songs are enduring standards, covered by countless artists. The Carter family deeply influenced future legends like Johnny Cash, who married Maybelle's daughter, June Carter. Their sound continues to inspire modern artists, from bluegrass to indie folk. The marriage of Johnny Cash and June Carter merged two of country music's great bloodlines, carrying the Carter family legacy into a new era. Chapter 6 examines Southern gospel and faith. The Carters promoted Christian themes through their recordings, turning hymns like Can the Circle Be Unbroken into gospel standards. Their music offered comfort and hope during the Depression era. Their music bridged the sacred and the secular, blending religious hymns and secular ballads. This fusion influenced country music's enduring spiritual dimension and shaped American cultural identity. Chapter 7 discusses challenges and later years. Despite their cultural impact, the Carters faced financial struggles due to meager royalties in the early music industry. They remained rooted in their community, demonstrating their authentic Appalachian spirit. The legacy is preserved through the Carter Family Fold, the Library of Congress archives, and their 1970 induction into the Country Music Hall of Fame. The Carter Family Fold in Hiltons, Virginia, continues to host traditional acoustic music every Saturday, serving as a pilgrimage site for fans of authentic American music. Chapter 8 explores their enduring legacy and modern relevance. The Carter family's songs remain staples in folk and Americana. Modern artists constantly reinterpret their classics, ensuring that their story of authenticity inspires new generations. The Carter family matters because they preserved America's musical heritage, shaped the soul of country music for a century, and their story remains an example of artistic authenticity and resilience. Can the Circle Be Unbroken remains a timeless anthem of hope and continuity. The Carter family's music connects the past, present, and future, serving as the beating heart of American country music.